as Spider-Man. The magic helmet. I think it's awesome. Go this way. Tell me this.
The interesting thing is that bike and that bike are the same bike.
No problem.
What a difference you can do with a start.
I'm sorry, man. Let's move on down a little bit, see if we can sneak in here. Oh God, there's one with a white tiger head on it. Let's see if we can get down that way. Whoop. Come on.
Yeah, I believe that.
Batman. Look at this thing. Holy crap. Unbelievable. Let me tell you something. Batman never rode a bike like this. He never rode one like this, though.
Nah, I didn't.
It's amazing. There's just so much stuff here. I'm trying to get as much as I can for you guys, but it's just overwhelming. Last year's was definitely not this good. There was not enough. I'm sure the economy had something to do with it. There was not halfway close as many vendors and whatnot. This year, much better. Hopefully that's a good sign of things that are going better this year, maybe for the economy and whatnot. All right, we're going to continue on. All right, Suburban Rider. We are at the Triumph booth. I am not familiar with the models and whatnot on these Triumphs, so give you a quick look around. See, they're smart. What they do is they tie them up. They put them in something so they can't fall over. This one looks like yours, but I'm not sure if this is the America. This bike here, not bad. Priced at $8,300. $8,300. In fact, this is Chuck's bike, the America. Brand new. Chain and everything. There's just too many people here. Here we go. This is their big bike. It's big. Wow. This one here you can feel the scuds of people stick their feet over. You get two, guys.
Yeah.
It's a sweet looking bike. Here's a new rider. Here you go, Steve. This will keep you warm. Right down to the socks. Under Armour. Jacket. Looks thermal. And a face thing. I don't know what they call that thing. I forgot. They got a whole bunch of them. Again, I asked them about electric gear. They said only wimps wear that. Haha. Only kidding. And this place here is never stop riding. Or cold weather gear. Well guys, we're nearing the end of the show. We come up to, as you can see, the vintage bikes. There were a couple of them. They have this Indian here, which is a PD bike. It's a 1953 New York City Police Department motorcycle. However, I had to wander over onto this section and I found this bike. This is a significant bike for me. It's a 1971 Honda CB754. Mine was a special. I gave it in. This was the first bike I ever owned, ever. This is the bike I learned on. And every once in a while these pop up, but they come in red. Once in a while you see a blue one, but this is the exact model, except mine was a 74. A 1971 CB750 4 Special. 4 cylinders. Guys on your sports bikes, guess what? This is where the design for your motor came from. 4-cylinder inline. This bike ran beautifully and it was fast. Alright. Okay, we have some of the vintage Harley Davidsons. It's an incredible day. Let's see what's going on up there. It looks like tour buses. Well, I hope I got the essence of what was going on in there, but I couldn't possibly get everything. So I tried to do the best I could. Here's some bikes. Or a bike. New York City, I don't know. I'm not that crazy. I did it once many years ago. So I'd never do it again, but... Alright. I think we'll call this a wrap. There's the Empire State Building. We're going to be heading that way. So, ride safe, shiny side up, wind at your back, guys. Peace.